Hello everyone, my name is Lutz Lang and this is your InterSim III channel. The InterSim III heart simulator is your virtual heart disease patient. In this video I will show you the delivery content and unboxing of our InterSim III Interface extended package. I would like to start with a few notes about the case. The InterSim III comes always in such a durable aluminum case. This case offers good protection for the device. As you can see, there's enough space inside for the delivery content and for the accessories. Let's go through the individual parts in detail. The InterSim III Interface Basic unit is characterized by the following features. The device is lightweight. It has 3 connectors. One for the power supply, one for the connection to the necessary PC, and one for the connection to the adapter box. It can be connected to almost every current Windows PC. ECG pins are provided on the top. These pins are designed to use with snap or pinch connectors. You will find 2 manuals under the interface unit. One manual is for the interface unit itself, and the other manual is for the adapter box. The manuals come in 9 languages. They contain notes for usage, safety instructions, details for connection and startup, as well as other important information. This is the power supply for the interface unit. For maximum flexibility, we have different country-specific plugs. This is the USB cable for the connection to the necessary PC. The setup for the PC application and for the necessary USB driver is contained on this USB flash drive. The adapter box offers many advantages. The main reason for introducing the adapter box is personal safety and the protection of live devices. The adapter box of the standard package is equipped with 3 IS1 connectors and 1 DF1 high voltage adapter. Since I have an extended adapter box here, my adapter box is equipped with an additional IS4 connector. This way you are able to connect quadripolar devices to the adapter box. The additional IS4 connector is the only difference between the standard adapter box and the extended adapter box. The DF1 high voltage adapter is used to connect ICDs with DF1 connectors. It is part of the standard package as well as the extended package. I have a DF4 high voltage adapter in my case. It is not part of the standard and also not of the extended package, but it can be ordered as accessory and is then included in the case. This cable is also included. It connects the adapter box to the basic unit. An impedance block is also available. It suppresses messages that can confuse students in a learning environment. It can be ordered as accessory and is then included in the case. I recommend watching our separate video about the adapter box. In this video you will see all advantages of this box. That's everything you need to know about unboxing of our InterSim III Interface extended package. Please see our other videos about unboxing, first steps and startup. Thank you for watching this video.